The 2025 Ford Bronco SUV is based on the Ford Escape crossover and Maverick pickup's front-wheel drive, unibody C2 chassis. The sixth-generation Ford Bronco body-on-frame SUV, which retained comparable retro and off-road style, but a smaller footprint, was introduced alongside the Ford Bronco. Ford Bronco is an excellent choice. The Bronco serves as a practical rock climbing gear and an enjoyable lifestyle car, making it simple to travel between campsites on public roads. Big Bend is a base trim, although mid-level trims like Black Diamond and Outer Banks have more amenities. The interior of the Ford Bronco features the same open-air conveniences that make the Jeep Wrangler a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. When compared to Jeep, Ford's interior has a few additional improvements. The dashboard of the Bronco includes a shelf at the top where iPhones and GoPros can be put. It also has easy-to-remove frameless doors. However, its big side windows can obstruct air sealing and let in extra wind noise. The exterior mirrors, which are located at the bottom of the windscreen, are functional even without the doors. Rubber flooring and marine-grade vinyl upholstery are available to protect the cabin. Leather seating surfaces are available for those who like a more sumptuous setting. However, the wide plastic stripes in the cabin look cheap on higher versions. Even in the two-door Bronco, there's ample space in the rear seat for two adults. Only the four-door variant has a third middle seat in the back and substantially greater legroom, but the most of its extra length goes to the cargo compartment, which is 50% larger than the two-door model. The Bronco's instrument panel features a 12.0-inch touchscreen that is powered by Ford's most recent in-dash Sync 4 software. The configuration can wirelessly connect to the user's smartphone and the cloud, enabling over-the-air updates. Modern infotainment options like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot that requires a subscription are also supported by the infotainment system. A 2.3-liter turbocharged, four-cylinder engine with 300 horsepower is standard on the Ford Bronco Sport, while a 2.7-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine with 330 horsepower is optional. The two petrol engines can be connected to a 10-speed automatic gearbox, but the smaller engine can only be used with a 7-speed manual gearbox. Unfortunately, neither engine features an enthusiastic soundtrack. All four wheels of a Bronco are powered, and its independent front suspension is more sophisticated than the Jeep's front bar axle. 35-inch mud-terrain tires, beadlock wheels, electronically locked front and rear differentials, and a sway bar disconnect mechanism are additional notable options. The Jeep Wrangler and the 2- and 4-door Ford Bronco share the same 3,500-pound towing capacity. The most economical version of the Bronco is the 4-cylinder automatic vehicle, which gets 20 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. With the Sasquatch package, which comes with aggressive, larger tires and reduces fuel efficiency to 17 miles per gallon in both the city and the highway, you can upgrade to the V6 version. Using both engines on our 75 miles per hour fuel-efficient route, we drove automatic-equipped Broncos with a 4-cylinder engine getting 22 miles per gallon, and a V6 getting 18 miles per gallon. Numerous driver assistance features, such as parking sensors and automatic highlights, are standard on the Bronco. It also features gear that makes trail riding and rock crawling at a leisurely pace possible. Blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, automated emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision warning, and lane departure are some of the 2025 Ford Bronco's key safety features.